What is going on, folks? Today I got me a wallet called a Mech wallet. Now this one says specifically the model is 8807. I'm not sure what that means, to be honest with you, because this is my first time seeing this product right here. Now these guys did reach out to me and ask me to take a look at this wallet. I saw how it worked, so I thought, hey, it's pretty interesting, so I say, yeah, send it to me. Anyway, it came in this little tin box right here. Now the interesting part is that it does have this little attachment to it where it looks like it sticks to the case right here. So anyhow, let's open this one up first and then we'll take a look at that. Okay, now if you have been around the internet or Instagram or anything like that, you've probably seen some of these ads for these metal wallets. This is one of those wallets that just makes it look really cool to actually carry around credit cards. All right, so check this out. This is a money clip right here, by the way. It does have a little sticky on the back so that you can stick it back here if you want to. You hear that? That is so satisfying, and really that's what this product is all about. It's all about making it as most satisfying as possible whenever you take your credit card out. Yeah, PunCube has done a really good job with that noise, by the way. It's kind of like the reason why you would buy mechanical keyboards, right? Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, it's all metal, obviously. Now let's take a look at this right here. So this is a MagSafe attachments, and it has a little sticky back here, so you can stick it behind here, and then this part right here will go on your phone. So I have my phone right here. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now, depending on how I want to do it though, let me see here. I would probably stick it like that, and then I would want my wallet to come out on this side to align this. Perfectly aligned. Keep that there for a little bit there. Okay, so now I have a MagSafe wallet. Voila. Interesting, right? All right, so now let's see here. I do have 2 credit cards on here. This thing will hold 4 credit cards, but let's just go ahead and use my 2 credit card and put it in there. Maybe I should actually face it the right way. So here's 2 credit card inside of it. I still got room for I guess 2 more right there. Plenty of room there. All right, so the one thing that you would think to yourself is that it's sitting in there with tons of room will fall out. Well, there you have it. Doesn't really fall out there. Now once I push it up though, you see it kind of extrude the next one up just a little bit. You see that? Let me try that again here. Yeah, you see that one kind of extrude out a little bit more, so that you can literally take this one out. Then when you're done, just push that back in. Yeah, this is very satisfying, guys. Anyhow, so the money clip, I'm not sure where to put this, to be honest with you. Maybe in the front here, maybe. But let's try this, okay? Instead of using the money clip for the cash, since I have room in here, I'm gonna try and use my so I use this American Express quite a bit. This one is just for a backup, so I'm gonna wrap this around the Citi card, and then I'm gonna put it in here. All right, since I have tons of room in there, right, I'm just gonna mod this up. Not really mod it up, but All right, so that works, right? Now this card extrudes out a lot more, and the money, the cash, is actually filling up the gap that, you see that? It's filling up the gap in between right there. So now it's even tighter in there. So now you're like, can I take the cash out? Well, let's see. Sure enough, the cash comes right out. Now let's try me taking one card out and see if the cash comes out. Nope, the cash still stays in there. Cash still stays in there, no problem at all. Not sure if I even need this money clip right here, but I think this one, with me holding just 2 cards, I think it's perfect. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. These are the newfangled wallets out there that are, I don't know, super interesting to me. Have a good one. Bye-bye.